Welcome back. For those that have been following along, I ended up building a smaller form factor PC for the missus and her new job. And told the group I would get back with you and give you an update on how well it's doing because I wasn't a fan of the AIO. So in Cinebench R23, it did throttle because it hit thermal limit. But I've been watching it for the last week, and every day after she runs through all of her tasks and doing all of her data. And as a workstation, it never really crosses 50, 55 degrees. So we're going to call this a success. We're going to let the AIO do its job. And if I do need to change it in the future, I'll be sure to let you guys know. But right now, success, job done. Hope you enjoyed that video and more to come. Stay safe. God bless.